You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's break down how to pronounce this word from North American, a small bric-a-brac or miscellaneous item. Tchotchke. Alright, so let's break it down. Tchotch. Yes, it's essentially pronounced just like it's spelled. T-C-H, ch, then an O, and then another ch. Tchotch. Tchotchke. Yeah, it's really easy. Once you know, I think it might be from Yiddish or Russian. Tchotchke. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.